Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we dig deep into the gadgets that claim to make your life easier. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best jump starter portable power bank on the market, the NOCO Boost X GBX45. Let's get right into it. At first glance, the GBX45 doesn't scream power. It's compact, lightweight at just around 1.2 kilograms, and easily fits in your glove box or backpack. But don't let its size fool you. This unit packs an astonishing 1250 peak amps, capable of jump-starting gas engines up to 6.5 liters and diesel engines up to 4 liters. We're talking about trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, tractors, boats, basically anything short of a commercial rig. This isn't your average jumper. NOCO has introduced what they call their X series, and the GBX45 is built for extreme performance. Whether you're stranded in freezing cold or scorching heat, this device is designed to work under tough conditions and deliver reliable power every time. Now let's talk about safety, because that's something you shouldn't compromise on, especially when dealing with power equipment. The GBX45 comes with UltraSafe 2.0 technology. That means upgraded spark-proof protection and reverse polarity defense. Even if you hook the clamps up wrong, you're still safe. It also has thermal protection built in to extend battery life and keep the device running cool under stress. What sets this apart even further is how fast it recharges. Thanks to USB-C power delivery, it fully charges in just 48 minutes. And if you're really in a pinch, a quick 5-minute charge gives you enough juice for a jump start. That kind of flexibility is a game changer. Every charge gives you up to 6 jump starts, and the integrated 60-second timer ensures it conserves power by cutting off high-voltage delivery automatically. That means even if you forget to unplug it, it's still looking out for your battery and its own charge life. The GBX45 doesn't stop at jump starting. This thing is a full-fledged power bank. With a 60-watt USB circa PD output, you can charge your smartphone, tablet, even laptops on the go. Dual-direction charging also means you can recharge the unit with the same cable you use to power up your devices. Clean, efficient, and travel-friendly. And yes, there's more, the built-in 100-lumen LED flashlight. Whether you're dealing with a roadside emergency or setting up camp in the dark, the GBX45's 7 light modes, including SOS and strobe, give you the light you need when you need it. Inside the box, you get the GBX45 jump starter, heavy-duty clamps, a USB-C charging cable, and a microfiber storage bag. If you're someone who drives long distances, lives in colder climates, or just wants to be prepared, the NOCO Boost X GBX45 is a no-brainer. It combines serious power, rapid charging, and all-around utility in a package that's compact and travel-ready. This is not just a jump starter. It's peace of mind. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like, subscribe for more deep dive product breakdowns. And let us know in the comments what gear you want us to review next. Stay powered up, and see you in the next one.